we have a number of good kids at 57. We were fortunate Austin Matthews, transferred in. He's a tremendous athlete. He's a great wrestler. Fits in well here. Works hard. We're really enjoying him on and off the mat. But we have a number of good guys. You're talking about Casey Davis, who might go 57 or 65, was a PSAC champion. Chase Delandy's been in here working really hard. I think the world at Chase. I think he's got a real bright future. And Ty Showstall is a redshirt freshman. So we have a number of kids there and a lot of depth, which is really nice for us.
Keep training just like these guys. Everybody has the same common goal. So as long as I'm pushing myself with Mitch, who's been in the finals, who really wants to win, to a guy like AJ, Dave, who have the same mindset, then if I follow what they're doing, I'll be able to achieve it.
I feel way more well-rounded. Worked a lot on top and on bottom, and on getting more attacks off on my feet, so I could be a higher point scoring guy than someone that's always in close matches.
It helps me a lot personally because you just know you have to work that much harder because we have a good amount of wrestlers that are real good at between those two weights, and it just makes you want to work that much harder so you can be the best one.
I like the competition. I'm glad to see Matthews come in and have success. But we want to be a top team. So if he needs to be at 57 and if I need to be at 65, whatever's better for the team, that's fine.